Let's learn how to enable dark mode for app icons on iPhone iOS 18. This is a new feature which comes with new iOS update. Because of that, you'll have to make sure that you have latest iOS update, which is 18 or newer. This will not work on if you have iOS 17 and lower, so make sure that you have latest iOS update. First, go long press on whatever part of screen you want until the icon starts shaking. Then once you are in this wiggle mode, go to click on little edit button in top left corner of the screen. That will open a little pop-up menu, where have two different options, of which you need to go on second option called Customize. When you click on that option, you can see another pop-up menu in the bottom of the screen, where we have a couple of different options. First option is Automatic option by default. That option is selected. This option set light mode or dark mode depending on which appearance you have set. But to set always dark apps icon, there is second option. This option set dark mode, and it is not reduced if a light theme is set on the phone. That is a new feature which comes with iOS 18. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.